Welcome! Today, we're exploring 5 of the most stunning and unique birds from around the world, each with fascinating traits you'll love. First up, the rainbow lorikeet, a flying rainbow native to Australia. Its bright, multicolored feathers make it one of nature's most dazzling sights. It feeds mainly on nectar and pollen, buzzing from flower to flower. Next, meet the Victoria crowned pigeon from New Guinea. This bird is famous for its elegant blue crown of feathers and striking ruby red eyes. It uses graceful head sways and tail fans to attract mates. The flame bowerbird, also from New Guinea, looks like a living torch with its fiery red and yellow feathers. Males build elaborate bowers decorated with shiny objects to impress females during courtship. From the tropical rainforests of Central America, the keel-billed toucan stands out with its large, multicolored bill. This vibrant tool helps it catch fruits and insects, making it a true rainforest icon. Finally, the paradise tanager of the Amazon rainforest sports a stunning mix of teal, red-orange, green, and indigo feathers. These social birds live in flocks and build cozy cup-shaped nests. These birds remind us of nature's incredible beauty and diversity. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share,